Hey guys, this is Mike with VMPPerformance. Today we have David's car on the dyno. It's a 2013 GT500. He came to us wanting to make a little bit more horsepower, so our sales team put him together with a stage 4 package. That includes a 2.4 upper pulley for the stock supercharger, a 90 idler, a JLT 123, and our twin jet 67, along with a VMP custom tune. Let's get up on the dyno and see what kind of horsepower we can make. We just finished up the dyno, and with our VMP custom tune, we were able to get 683 horsepower and 676 foot-pounds of torque. If you like what we did with David's car, make sure to visit our website or contact sales and support to get set up with a similar package. If you like the horsepower we made here and the content in the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.